This is Victor from Allstar. Our company provides a clean room system for pharmaceutical companies. Our factory is located in Shanghai, and we provide a total solution for pharmaceutical company, including clean room system and HVAC system. Our company and factory provide sandwich panels with all kinds of core materials, for example, rock wool and PU and so on. This is our mock-up clean room. We provide the doors and wall panel, ceiling panel, and lighting fixtures. Especially, we can provide HEPA box, so we can help our customers to build up pharmaceutical factories. Right now, we are working with Morgan in Pakistan.